Okay guys, welcome back again to my channel. Ayan, at now we're going to check. This is a part 2 of my unboxing of my Nisi monitor, blood pressure monitor. So as I said that in my first video that I'm going to try and I put already the battery on my first video, so this is my second part 2 video of this Nisi monitoring. Okay, so ayan, we put already the monitoring for blood pressure, so ayan, and then we already put the battery. Yes, so you can press here, press on that side. Now it's already on. Yes, and then wait a minute, and then you restart. Okay, so as we can put here, ayan. So first we put inside, and then you close it. Guys, tapos i-twist nyo lang para doon sa artery niya yan, sa artery siya. So kailangan nakaupo ka para mas accurate yung blood pressure. Ayan, kailangan nakaupo ka level sa kanya, sa yung heartbeat, para mas accurate yung pag-check mo ng blood pressure. So guys, papakita ko to sa inyo. Ayan, ang blood pressure natin is ito, pero mahirapan tayo anyway. So yan na. Okay, then ayan na, nag-start na siya. Check. So ayan, 117/60. So kanina nag-try ako ng is 114/70. So ngayon bumaba siya kasi hindi ako yung parang nag-relax at saka nagsalita. Must be don't talk. Anyway, ang aking pulse ay 83. So 117/60. So lang ako, normal lang yung aking blood pressure. So this is a good blood pressure machine guys. So mag-avail na kayo para din sa pagmo-monitor ng inyong blood pressure, kung ito high blood or not. So dahil lately nga medyo masakit ang aking batok, tapos pero hindi naman ako talaga high blood. It's just nangawit lang ako siguro sa paghiga. So that's why I need this monitor blood pressure machine, para ma-monitor natin ang ating blood pressure kung kayo ay mayroong high blood pressure. So I need this for my caregiver or checking of the patient. Yan. So pag hindi nyo po ginagamit, you take out the batteries para hindi po maano yung battery niya. Kasi sometimes if you stuck at hindi mo siya gagamit, mangangalawang yung battery sa loob. Right? So, take out the batteries and put it inside. So, if you want to use it again, you can put the batteries on it. Okay? So, that's all for today, guys. Ayan na. Meron na tayong monitoring machine sa gustong magpa-check up ng inyong blood pressure. Just let me know. Mag-check up ko yung inyong blood pressure. So, that's all, guys, for today. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa aking mga next video. So, okay. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.